Hi, I'm Alice and I'm an implementation consultant at Perkbox. So, my primary role is to help businesses implement Perkbox and get employees engaged with our platform from the offset. The main things we focus on during the implementation phase is communication. Before launching any new product, it's important to create a buzz and generate some excitement around its release. To do this, it can be helpful to onboard some users early to your new system so they can become real advocates for your platform and shout about how great it is when you do actually launch. You might like to think that your managers will already be on board, so think about other engaged employees who you could elect. When launching Perkbox, for example, we suggest you call these people your Perkbox champions. It's also beneficial to educate your employees on what your new system is and give reasons as to why you're implementing it now. Has something come to light on a recent survey you sent out? Do you just want to give something back to your employees after a difficult year? Has something not quite been working as smoothly as it should be? Letting your employees know the reasons why you're implementing something now can really sell the value of your new system to them. It's just not going to be another system that they have to get to grips with. It's something that might really benefit them. So we've established that communication is key to create a buzz and educate your employees. But remember to think about the different forms of communication. People take in information in different ways. So always remember to announce by at least two forms of communication. An email might be the easiest way to reach all employees, but is it just going to end up in a spam or junk folder straight away? Perhaps a team meeting might be a better approach. If you don't have an all-company meeting, why not record a video of a senior leader or one of your champions announcing it? A visual communication will always grab someone's attention, whether that be a poster in a staff room or a rolling video being shared on a screen in the office. So when implementing a new product, always remember to create a buzz, educate and give reasons on why you are implementing it, and always remember to announce it in more than one way.